Use of value expressions. Value expressions allow SQL to produce calculated results. The operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the string concatenation operator. Examples. Display the information in the drug table with an extra 0.05 added to the price. So let us go to Interactive SQL. So I have already connected to the hospital database. So let us see what are the details of the drug table. Select star from drug. So you are able to see the details here. Drug code, drug name, type, and the price. The question says that add an extra 0.05 to the price. So in order to display only the price from drug table, so select price from drug. So you are able to see the original price. It says 0.02, 0.06, 0.04, etc. So we need to change the price. Add with the extra value 0.05 and see the result. The title says drug.price plus 0.05. So this is the title. So let us change the title using the rename, which is the as keyword in SQL. As, say I will just give a name, increased price. So you are able to see here the increased price added with 0.05. So let us use another operator, division. So produce a table of the height to weight ratios of patients in the patient table in centimeter per kilogram. So we need to see the table, patient table. Select star from patient. You are able to see the details of patient table. So we have a column called height. We have another column called weight. So we need to find the ratio of this. So let us start. Select height divided by weight from patient. So you are able to see here the height divided by weight from the patient table, the details. So we can rename again as before. Height to weight ratio. So it is calculated a new field called height to weight ratio. Now return a table of the height to weight ratio in inches per pound. So in order to convert this one into in inches per pound, you have to add, this is the formula, you're going to multiply with 0.179. So we're going to use an operator called division. We are going to use another operator called multiplication. So the same thing, we can modify height to weight ratio. So use a bracket parenthesis for the associativity 0.719. It is 179, sorry. It's 179. So you are able to get height to weight ratio in inches per pound. Suppose you are not taking the value from an existing table. You can always make use of the sys.dummy table. So for example, you're going to display a new value called 13. Actually, we are not taking the value from an existing table. So in order to display this newly created value, you can simply write, for example, 5 plus 10 from sys.dummy. So now it is showing 5 plus 10. If you want to rename, you can say, you can give a name, for example, new value or a calculated value, for example. So we have seen the use of some of the operators. Now let us start with the functions. We will study the built-in functions in this block. So functions: write a query to return a table with 2 columns, the patient name and the length of his name. So you need to display the patient name as well as the number of characters. Length means number of characters of the patient name. So in order to do this one, you can say, first of all, you can display patient name from the patient table. So you will be able to see the patient names. Then you can use a built-in function length, and it is taking a parameter or an argument. So for example, here the argument is patient name. Select patient name from patient. I have a spelling mistake. Okay, so you're able to see here the patient name. I'm going to add one more column here, number of characters, length of patient name. Patient name. I don't want the title to be like this, so can rename LENTH or length name, whatever. You can give a name. Okay, so you're able to see patient name as well as the length.